Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get all the best spicy apps on your Amazon Fire Stick in 2025. The whole setup is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get those amazing apps to your device. And the very first step is, of course, firstly you need to get the app called Downloader to the Fire Stick. You can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, we'll just go to search on your device by going to the home page. On the home page, select that button with a magnifying glass icon and click on the search bar. And then this virtual keyboard will appear on your screen. So let's start using the keyboard to enter the name of the app, which is once again Downloader. So start entering Downloader, and as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. You gotta click on it, and now here is the app which you need to get. But now, after you got Downloader, it is of course not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So next, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings on your Fire Stick by clicking this button with a gear icon. So you click on it, and then the My Fire TV button will pop out for you at the bottom. You have to click on it as well, and now there you will need to turn on the developer options on the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So what it means that if you go back, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you have to go to install on apps, and in here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So then we'll return back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. You will open it, and now there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire Stick. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Malta right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we get back to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and finally open it up. And then in the home page of Downloader, you'll see this big search bar We'll open it and start using this keyboard to enter the codes, which will allow us to download all those amazing spicy apps to your Fire Stick. The first code will be 863 and then 078. So once again, 863078. That is the first code we are using. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Then click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the first application today has finally started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the app to your device. Then click install and also make sure that the app gets properly installed to your Fire TV stick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you save yourself some free space on your device, and that's really important. And now let's go and take a look at the application list on your Fire TV stick. Here it is, we open it. And there's the first application which we just got for you. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can get 3 months of VPN if you use the link below the video. And just like that, we just got the first application for you today, but it is definitely not the last one. So we return straight back to Downloader, click on Home again, and erase the previous code, as it is not needed anymore for us now. And now we'll be using even more codes to get more amazing apps to your Fire Stick. So the second code today will be 953562. So once again, 953562. That's the second code we are using today. We'll click on that go button, and now just like that, we'll start the download of the second application today. So here you go, the download of the second app has also started. That was really fast. Click install then, and just wait for the app to finish installing. And then as always, we click on done and delete unnecessary files from your device. Now let's go and take a look at the list of applications. Here you go. Just wait a moment for it to load, and there's already the second app, which is also available now. Of course, we also put it to the front of the list for easy access on your device. And after that, return straight back to the downloader, so we could get you even more apps today. The code number 3 today will be 307888. This way we'll be getting the third application for you today. As always, we click done and just wait for the app to start loading to your Fire Stick device. There you go, the download also has started successfully. And it literally took us only a couple of seconds to get the app. Now we are finalizing the installation process as well, and then click done to delete unnecessary files from your device. And if that's not over yet, so yeah, of course we'll take a look at the list of apps. Here's the app number 3, we just put it to the front, but it's not over yet because there's something more that we can get to the Fire Stick. We return straight back to downloader. And now the following code that we are using is gonna be 647190. So once again, 647190. Click on go, and you already know all the steps, of course, that we'll need to take. So just wait for the app to start downloading to your device now. Here you go, the download has started successfully and already finished. Then we'll make sure to install the app, and of course delete unnecessary files from your device. And now you just go to the list of apps on your device and enjoy all those amazing applications that we got for you. So see you next time. Bye bye.